Welcome back to Tranding Cars, and today we're exploring something truly special, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Class C Motorhome. This is not just another vehicle, it's a luxury home on wheels, combining the sophistication of Mercedes-Benz design with the freedom of a motorhome lifestyle. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in first-class comfort while still having the thrill of the open road, this is the machine that makes it possible. From the outside, the Class C Motorhome instantly makes a statement. The iconic Mercedes-Benz styling is clearly visible, starting with the bold front grille carrying the famous three-pointed star logo. Sleek LED matrix headlights not only add elegance, but also ensure superior visibility at night. The aerodynamic body design reduces drag, giving it both efficiency and presence. The large side windows provide a panoramic view from inside, while the body itself is built on a reinforced chassis for safety and durability. At the rear, modern LED taillights and integrated sensors make handling such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. Even though this is a motorhome, it still carries the premium aura that we expect from Mercedes-Benz. Customers can also choose from multiple color finishes and optional decals, so the exterior can be tailored to personal taste. Now stepping inside, the 2026 Class C Motorhome feels like walking into a 5-star suite. The driver's cabin itself is pure Mercedes-Benz luxury, with leather captain seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, and the latest MBUX infotainment system equipped with voice control, AI-based navigation, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Once you move to the living quarters, the real magic begins. The lounge area offers spacious, comfortable sofas with rich upholstery, a foldable dining table, and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood. The panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, while motorized blinds ensure privacy at the touch of a button. The kitchen setup is compact, yet highly functional. It comes with a refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, and cleverly designed storage compartments to make long journeys convenient. Moving further back, the bedroom area features a luxurious full-size bed with a memory foam mattress and high-quality finishes that feel premium in every way. Charging ports, storage cabinets, and smart lighting add to the comfort. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a standing shower, ceramic sink, and an intelligent water management system that maximizes efficiency. Every corner of the interior has been crafted with attention to detail, ensuring both luxury and practicality are seamlessly combined. When it comes to performance, Mercedes-Benz has ensured that this motorhome isn't just about looks. Under the hood, it is powered by a next-generation turbo diesel engine combined with mild hybrid technology. This setup provides plenty of power for long-distance travel while keeping fuel efficiency in check. The suspension has been tuned for stability, so whether you're cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads, the ride remains smooth and confident. Mercedes' advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, make driving such a large vehicle feel effortless and safe. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Class C Motorhome positions itself in the premium segment, starting at around $150,000, depending on customization. Of course, with add-ons and luxury packages, the price can go higher, but what you get in return is unmatched luxury, advanced technology, and the confidence of the Mercedes-Benz badge. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Class C Motorhome isn't just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle statement. It's designed for those who want to explore the world without ever compromising on comfort, technology, or style. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or just weekend getaways, this motorhome delivers everything you could